Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there are two patterns forming after pandemic I'm talking about, and this pattern is from 2020 to 2022, and this particular pattern is 8-month pattern. After that there is a fall. Okay, the same category, same pattern is formed in these two, and after that there is a continuous rise. Okay, so chances can be high if this particular level sustain and move above this particular zone of around 1990, then yes, a probability of going further upside is there. And one more thing I have explained you, that if the price sustain above 1956, if you have seen my previous video, I have explained you, was a strong support. So a bounce back has come and it has already made a half around $1971, now trading at $1966.69. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, chances are very high it can go further upside because 1956 is a strong support. So a bounce back has come from that particular zone. So suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it can go towards a level of $1975. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, then chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see a level of $1982. Okay, so again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, then chances of going further upside will be there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of around 1972 to a level of 1975, and once it sustain above that level, then chances of touching 1982 will be there. So you have to keep it in mind that once started sustaining above 1982, then yes, a probability is very high it can go towards a level of around $1991 after crossing a level of $1985. Okay, because 1985 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can go further upside, and a probability that it can go sustain at a level of 1985 and then further high to a level of 1991, and from there we can see level of 1995. And once it started going upside, then yes, a probability is very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $2,000. Okay, and once started sustaining of $2,000, then yes, you can say it can go further high, because all these resistance, if you check, these resistance are already weak resistance. So once the price sustain above 2000, then probability of touching 2020 will be there if the price sustain above $2015. Okay, so once the price sustain above 2015 to a level of 2020, then yes, a probability is high that it can cross a level of $2032, and then further upside the price goes above that particular level. Okay, if the price move above level of 2000, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. But one thing that you have to understand, that the market is always uncertain. It cannot go further high and further low, sharp low and sharp rise till the time there is no big event is coming. How it moves, hold for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way, it hold for some time, that is it moves. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what it can move towards to the next support, we can see coming at a level of $1961. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular zone, then chances of touching a level of $1961 is there. After that 1959, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching a level of around 1951 to a level of around $1950. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, then the next support coming at a level of around $1939. You have to keep that in mind. Once started falling below 1950, the next support coming at around $1939 after crossing a level of 1950. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular zone, then yes, a probability of going below a level of 1934, and then chances of touching a level of around 1932 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 1929. So you have to keep that in mind, because these is the resistance which is already being weak resistance, but now as of now they can act as a bounce back towards an upside. So chances are very high if the price fall below 1921, we can see a level of $1909. So keep that in mind. If the price fall below 1921, chances of touching 1909 is there, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. So if the price fall below 1900, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. So you have to see there will be a zone breakout, because till the time it is sustaining a level of 1934, we can see it will be move in the zone, but as soon as it breaks this 1934 zone, we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.